Hi everyone, my name is Emily Stockton, and today I'll be giving you an overview of Google Chat, a communication and collaboration tool that integrates directly with Google Workspace. I'll walk you through what it is, where to find it, how to create and manage spaces, share resources, assign tasks, and adjust your settings. Basically, everything you need to get started. So what is Google Chat? Google Chat is Google's messaging and collaboration platform. You can use it to send direct messages to individuals or group messages to teams. It also allows you to create spaces which act as virtual rooms for projects or topics. One of its biggest advantages is its integration. It connects seamlessly with other Google products like Gmail, Drive, and Meet, so your communication and files stay in one place. Now, where do you find it? You can access Google Chat in a few ways. Today, I'll be showing you how it's available directly through Gmail, which you can look for when you open Gmail. Go to the left sidebar and look for Chat or the Spaces tab over there, as you can see in this image. You can also go to chat.google.com to use it in a separate window. And there's also a mobile app for both Android and iOS, which makes it great for staying connected on the go. To create a space, first you'll locate the Spaces section in your chat menu. Once you're there, you're going to click the three vertical dots to open the Options menu and then click Create a Space. From there, you can name your space, choose the type, if it's going to be collaborative or if you're just going to post announcements. You can adjust the access settings if you want it private, public, or allow external members to join. And you can also then add members to this space. Once you've done that, you're ready to share and start chatting using all of the tools that come with Google's Workspace. So this is what your chat bar would look like here at the bottom. And you can see there's a plus sign where you can access the Google Workspace tools, and it will link up with any of these. And this is also how you can send calendar invites or meeting links, and other resources as well. On this chat bar, you also have your text formatting options, emojis, GIFs, stickers. You can upload through here and also record. Shared items, which within each space, there is a shared tab that keeps everything organized, as you can see in this image on the left-hand side of the screen. You can add files, links, and media by clicking the blue Add button at the top. You can also drop resources directly into the chat section. They'll automatically appear in this shared tab for easy access later. So you don't have to scroll through the entire chat to find one document. It'll just be available right there. This makes it a great way to store group resources without losing track of them in long chat threads. You can also assign tasks in this space. That will be the tab next to the shared section, which helps keep your team accountable. Here's how it works. You click on tasks in your space, and then you would choose add a space task. You can then write the task, include any details like date and time, the name of it, what specifically you might want done. And then you can go ahead and assign it to a member in the space. When you complete tasks, it will cross them off and let you know when they're completed, as you can see in this image here. And if you have no pressing tasks, it will say all tasks complete, nice work. Everyone in the space has finished. It's a great tool for project management and ensuring everyone knows the responsibilities and those responsibilities are completed on time for deadlines. Now, there are some other tools to keep in mind. Under the space settings, again, you can find this through the three vertical dots in your group space. You can customize your preferences like notifications or permissions if you want to move the conversation, mute it, pin it, whatever. You can also, in this section, find the leave or block options if you need to leave or block a chat or space. It's all available there in your settings. These tools give you control over your workspace so that you can stay organized and focused. To wrap up, Google Chat is more than just messaging. It's a full collaboration tool designed to make teamwork within Google Workspaces easy and efficient. It's ideal for both professional and academic settings, especially for coordinating projects, sharing resources, and communicating in real time. Thank you all so much for listening. I hope this gives you the confidence to explore and use Google Chat effectively in your next team project. I encourage you to use it. You might learn something new, and you might like how efficient it is. Thank you so much.